Reggae international superstar Albert Griffiths, the frontman of the Gladiators, has passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. We ask you, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos. We'll be right back. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who's been good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV to the Scoop. I trust and hope that you're doing fine, keeping safe and in good health. Wherever you are watching this in the world right now, much respect and enough love goes out to you all. On a bit of sad note on Celebrity Scoop today is that Albert Griffiths, the frontman of the reggae band The Gladiators, passed away on Tuesday evening in Aberdeen District, St. Elizabeth. He was 74 years old. The sad news was confirmed by his son Anthony, who said that he was diagnosed with the Parkinson's disease over 10 years ago and had stopped touring with the Gladiators since. Albert Griffiths, the frontman of the Gladiators, was born in St. Elizabeth on January 1st, 1946. Griffiths relocated to Kingston 14 years later, according to his biography. In recent years, Griffiths would work as a mason after a series of unsuccessful auditions. Griffiths later recruited his childhood friends David Weber and Errol Grandison to form the original Gladiators group. The group's name was allegedly suggested by a fellow bus passenger during the time of their first recording. The group had a massive success with the single Hello Carol in 1968 for producer Sir Coxsone Dodd, which topped the Jamaican charts. Cable Stevenson, who managed the Gladiators between 1994 to 2004, said that the Gladiators was one of the first groups in reggae to enter the international global music space, and Albert was breaking language barriers and championing reggae music from the 1970s. He gave us one of Jamaica's most biggest reggae #1 songs to date, Hello Carol. He was a great person. He played the bass, but he was known as a brilliant rhythm guitarist who played on many hit songs at Studio One. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to express our heartfelt condolences to the family and friend of the great frontline runner of the Gladiators. What good, my brother. This has been Links 007 TV report on the passing of one of the top members of the group, the Gladiators. This is where we're going to leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless.